So we are going to send confusion in their camp, that when they sit together, they will not agree, that their meetings will be scattered.
Sometimes we let God down by not going to do that which he intends to use to make the right choices. And it ties in with what is said, that the punishment given to good people who don't vote is to be led by fools. Yeah. So good people like us who are sitting here, if you don't show up to vote, you should not complain when the wrong people are voted for. And I think for the first time in Kenya, this election is more of a spiritual battle than a political contest.